This is Moon C. It has stepless kelvins and increase and decrease the lighting. It has a night light, and it could turn off and on the fan and all the lights at one shot. You can increase or decrease and set the timer for your ceiling fan. We're going to show you what this ceiling fan is all about. It's an indoor and outdoor ceiling fan for all your summer needs. From the provider, the company Moon C is a ceiling fan, 25-inch, 5 reversible blades, 6 speeds, low light, night light, indoor and outdoor ceiling fan. Comes nicely packaged in this small box. What we're going to do is open up the box and show you what you get inside. And we're going to set the bad boy up. 26-227 instruction guide, protected with foam bubble wrap. This is your ceiling fan. Comes in a number of colors. Do check online for further detail. You got your 5 blades packaged and protected. You got your ceiling fan with the load, light, and neutral. You have a remote control and hardware and the instructions for the remote. Each individual blade is packaged, made of plastic, flexible, stiff clips. We're going to show you how to assemble. These are all your parts: 3 wire nuts, 4 anchors, 2 small anchors, 4 screws, 2 long bolts, 5 bolts, 5 set screws, and 6 set blade screws, and 6 washers, and a spring clip. Everything is laid out in the instruction books of the parts. Your DC motor, 110 volt, your blades, remote control and cradle, and remote instructions. Grab a blade with the clips facing up to the ceiling, snap in. For safety, take a set screw, place on, with the screwdriver, screw down, and repeat for the other blades. Options are to snap all in, and then carefully start to drill down each piece. On the top we have 3 rubber feet. The bracket by holding, turning, and lifting, and securing down in an area of location with the safety clip. With the safety clip and spring clip into one of the holes, this allows you to hang the fan hands-free. Find a location to hang, center and adjust when both screws are in, and place the hanging bracket on and the fan, and hook up your load and neutral and ground. Remove the clip, place on, and adjust. Put in the set screws to lock into place. Once all the set screws are in, you're ready for turning on. Hang up your cradle, turn the light on, automatically comes on. We have a on and off switch that turns the light off and on remotely. We have an all off that shuts the light and fan all off. Turning on the fan to speed number 1 is pressing speed number 1. Clockwise, blowing down for summer. We have a breathe that will go in and out to different speeds. As we turn the light on, we have here is the Kelvin as it changes. We have a dimness that dims all the way down, stepless, and we have a low light in the different Kelvins, low light. We have a reversal, and we have a timer that flashes and giving us a time. We have a setup for the remote control, and we have a Kelvin change as we hold. And those are the functions of the remote control and fan. Shutting the fan off. As the fan shuts down, and turning the fan back on, only and only the light goes on. The remote control must be used for the fan. This is the indoor and outdoor fan. We'll give you some measurements. From leading edge to leading edge, it is within 23¼ inches or so. With the lights, it is roughly around 7½ inches. The height from the ceiling to the very bottom is up to 9 inches. Each of the blades measures from the center of the light about 1 foot. This is your ceiling fan for indoor as well as outdoor use. You have a gazebo, an overhang, a day room, wherever you want to hang outside, in the shed, by the RV, in an area that is low profile. I stand 6 feet tall. I just hit the top of the fan. It is not meant for a low profile ceiling, but it is a low profile fan. So if you're looking for a ceiling fan for your room, small room, wherever you want to put a fan, that you could simply shut the fan off, separate from the light, or all off altogether. This may be a fan that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.